Today we are juicing 2 kiwis, a quarter of honeydew melon, and a quarter of pineapple. And I'm using the Breville multi-speed juicer, and you can check that out at blendhappy.com. More reviews, just read all about it. It's amazing, amazing juicer. So first I'm gonna start with juicing my soft fruits, and I'm gonna do it on speed level 1. Fun fact for the kiwi is one kiwi has as much potassium as a banana and more vitamin C than an orange. So that is a super fruit. It always seems like the exotic fruits have way more nutrients. It's just awesome. Acai, everything. Oh. Let's do this honeydew. Honeydew makes a lot of juice. It's amazing. And then we're gonna have to turn it up to speed 3 over here, 4, yeah, 4. We're gonna do 4 for the pineapple because it's more dense, and the soft fruits need to be on a lower level. The dense fruits need to be on a higher level, and vegetables. Let that run. See that extra juice. All right. Now we've got some green goodness here. And this is what I like to do to catch any extra juice. This is actually supposed to go this way into a glass, but you can turn it up. That'll keep from any juice dripping. And we'll just stir this up. It's gonna be amazing. I like to sniff everything first. It's me. Oh, so good. It's so good. It's refreshing. I love it. If you like very cold drinks, you're welcome to add ice cubes. And check out my website, blendhappy.com, for more recipes. Blend happy, live healthy.